In today's video, the Boosted R18 gets a Bride Low-Max bucket seat in preparation for the track.
After years of abuse and in order to increase driver confidence, I decided to ditch the stock driver seat.
I'm like 70% sure these aren't actual Bride Low-Max bucket seats because they didn't come with actual Bride seat rails, and I got them super cheap. But for now, they'll have to do.
I began by removing the stock seat. Then the seat belt mounting brackets as well as the belt sensor had to be removed from the stock seat. Next, I mounted the sliders to the Speed Daddy seat brackets, which took some trial and error to find the right length bolt. Afterwards, I mounted the seat at my preferred angle. The rear seat bolts required a lengthy M8 to work with the seat rails, so I ended up using a nut in between to keep the seat mounted firm and securely. I then moved on to the slide adjuster, which ultimately I ended up ditching for now as it didn't work properly. To mount the seat belt, I utilized one of the rear seat rail holes, which worked rather well. And for the seatbelt latch, I used what I believe to be an M12 bolt and nut to secure it in place. After reinstalling the seat bracket bolts, the car is pretty much good to go.
Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with my potentially fake Bride Low-Maxes. They are pretty comfortable, they help me feel more in tune with the car, and give me more confidence going into corners. I will admit there is a bit of a learning curve from switching from a stock seat. To begin with, how much lower you are in the car, and in my case, how much further back you are, as my sliders are currently useless.
In order to comfortably drive, I had to extend the steering wheel as far back as it can go. I usually keep the wheel as low as possible, but in order to see the tachometer, the steering angle had to be slightly adjusted.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be dropping another track day video shortly, so be on the lookout for that. And I'll see you guys on the next one.